This is the beautiful island of Roatan, located just a few miles offshore from Honduras, and is home to some absolutely stunning land and waterscapes. This is West Bay Beach, one of the most pristine beaches in Central America, and it neighbors this beautiful oceanfront villa. This is Casa Cascada, and it is a modern 4-bed and 4-bath villa with a private pool and outdoor living and dining space. And while it includes all the essentials such as Wi-Fi, AC, a laundry room, a big screen TV and whatnot, you will be dazzled by the sounds and views of its natural surroundings. The dock, for example, lies in the midst of coral rocks, and it offers quite the view for sunrise, sunset, and stargazing hours. This very spacious home can comfortably fit a family of 10 and is fully equipped to entertain the whole gang, both indoors and outdoors. Plus, it's only 100 meters away from a semi-private beach. And while all of this tempts you to simply stay home for the day, don't forget about the nearby restaurants, bars, gift shops, and dive shops in the West Bay area, just a couple of minutes away by car from Casa Cascada. With all this said, come and experience Casa Cascada for yourself.